Today we stand in a city which grew from a hill station to a thriving social hub of culture, modernity and religion. Today we stand in front of Aptabad Club, the same Aptabad Club which was established as an institution in 1896 by the British colonial masters of the subcontinent and is still preserved by the state of Pakistan and by different non-governmental organizations with stakes invested in it. Aptabad Club, which is a beautiful blend of historical heritage and significance with the modern amenities that include today the different sport activity areas that may include squash, tennis, badminton, swimming pools, and have a beautiful dining lounge with it. Amidst, surrounded by beautiful mountains of Aptabad, this place still stands as a symbol of a beautiful cultural heritage that roots back to 19th centuries as far as Pakistan and as far as the Aptabad's cultural significance is concerned. So let's go inside and have a look in this beautiful place that is surrounded by huge and enormous mountains and hills. After 1906, this building was leased. The Aptabad Club was leased to the civil administration for a period of 90 years. Meanwhile, on 14 June 1949, the second Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Armed Forces, Mr. Douglas Gracie, set the foundational stone of the building that you can see behind us right now. And during this tenure, when in 2019 the 90-year lease agreement was over, it was reverted back to the garrison or the station headquarters, where it underwent different renovations, reincarnations and revitalizations. Moreover, the then Chief of Army Staff, General Qamar Javed Bajwa, has also inaugurated and took part in the renovation of this beautiful building that you can see behind us, as it was a motif or as it was an approach towards making the Aptabad Club and mainly its signature building to its original, close to its original facade that was back established by the colonial masters. This place does not only have a huge historical significance, but it also incorporates in itself the modern luxuries and the modern social environment, which may include the lounging, the dining and different sports activities for young people and even for the people who have retired from their lives. General James Abbott, who was an English army officer in the Bengal army and had served as a British administrator in this part of the continent, in this part of the subcontinent. Aptabad, this beautiful hill station, was actually discovered and explored by Sir James Abbott, and that's why we are standing in front of Sir Abbott Cafe, hence named Abbott Cafe, because it is named after Sir James Abbott, who was the actual explorer and discoverer of this beautiful hill station, Aptabad. You also get a billiard room here in Aptabad Club. This 1921 England-made snooker table is here for decades, and a little mythology or a little folklore about this table is that the founder of Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, also played on this table. So it is this table is played, this table is seen with some other sort of sanctity. Whether this folklore or mythology is true or not, but in Aptabad Club you find a beautiful private room with a cozy environment and a beautiful old snooker club and a snooker table to play with your friends, to play even with your brothers and your family members. Aptabad Club had withstood the 1947 partition of the subcontinent. It had withstood the different turmoils of the country, the 2005 earthquakes, negligence, carelessness and discrepancies, but still stands as a huge facade and a blend of social and cultural harmony, and every time giving you a soft and gentle reminder to visit it once and enjoy the serenity of mountains surrounding it and enjoying the social and cultural heritage of it. Just to come, munch a little bit and share a cup of tea with friends and family and enjoy this beautiful social and cultural heritage that is possessed and owned by Aptabad, a beautiful hill station in the northern regions. Thank you.